Hello guys, today I'm going to talk about how to trim, split and cut your video for your next video. Follow me step by step on how you can split, cut and trim frame by frame for your video. In this video, we are gonna cover about how you trim, split and cut your video. Thank you for following me until this point to the tutorial video, and I hope you guys learn a lot from all my tutorial that will make your video better in the near future. Enjoy this tutorial. I hope you learn a lot. Click create new here and click movie. You're gonna import any file that you want to edit. So I like to get my free video from Pixabay. Pixabay is a website that have a lot of free videos, images, and anything you need for your video. So here you click on videos. You type, for example, nature. Like this one that have red and it says 18 credits or whatever credits is there, you need to pay. But if it's like this one, for example this, it's free download, so you just need to click free download. Here you open it in your finder. You wanna drag this video to your iMOVie. Here you drag it to your timeline. Now first I'm gonna show you how you split a video. Splitting a video is the most important of this editing process. If you cannot split a video, you cannot cut the video, you cannot do anything about the video. For you to be able to do it frame by frame and edit everything that you want, you need to be able to split it first. By clicking on the frame, you go to where you want to split. For example, here you click right click and then split clip. Or you can also use the shortcut from the Mac. It is Command B. When you click it, it will split between two, and you can split multiple times, not only once. So in here you can also split, in here you can also split, and from there it will make it easier for you to edit frame by frame. For example, if you want something faster in this frame and something slower in this frame, you can do that, and you have to split it first to be able to do that, so you can differentiate which frame goes faster, which one goes slower. By splitting these frames, you are also able to put transitions. These transitions you can put it in like in the middle. If there is this transition, you can put it in between of your split clip. But if you don't split your clip, you are not able to put any transition in. That is all about splitting clip. I am gonna move on trimming your clip. After you split your clip, you normally want to trim your clip to the right moment between one frame to another. So for example, this and this, if you want to trim this frame to be longer, you just put your mouse on the right side of the yellow line and you click left and you drag it to the right like that. You can trim it to however long or short, and you match it to the frame on the right. You make sure it is matching from this to the other frame. Trimming is really important to make your video look smooth from one frame to another and take out the things that you do not really need. It is just takes up space. So you will just trim that and go to that frame that is important. Trimming is very simple, but it is really different when you do it in your video editing, and it will make your video look so much better in quality. So I recommend you to do trimming to your videos between frame to another to make it real smooth. Next, we're going to talk about cutting the frame that you do not need. First, cutting, you cannot just cut. If you cut the whole frame, it will cut the whole thing, and you do not want that. You only want to cut the thing that you do not need, which is, for example, is on the, you do not want this left one. You split it first. As I said, you gotta split everything first to even delete a frame, to speed up or slow down. You can actually edit between frame and another frame. You just have to split, and you edit frame by frame by frame. So here, when you split it, you click which one you do not need. For example, you split it again. You do not want the one in the middle. You click the one in the middle and you click right, click delete. If you use a MacBook Pro, you can also click delete on your keyboard. Thank you for watching this tutorial. I hope you like this video and will help you a lot with your next video. I will see you guys in the next video. Peace out. Now that you have learned how to trim, split, and cut your video, you can now use it in your next video editing to make your video quality better ever. There are still a lot of stuff to learn here. The video creating, it's a journey that you cannot really learn it all in one go, so you gotta be patient and keep learning step by step, as there are a lot of tools, a lot of software in this editing world. So when you pick your editing software, either that iMOVIE, Final Cut Pro, Premiere, or anything, you master it. You go every tools that they have, and you can make a much better quality video that is gonna make people watch your video. So it is very important that making your quality of your video to attract people and watch your video. So I hope this tutorial will help you a lot with your journey of editing, and thank you for watching this video. Please watch my other video. There are a lot of videos about iMovie's editing for your YouTube videos, and a lot of tools that I explain in my videos for you guys to make your video even better and better in the next time. Peace out.